Hello, superstars! Welcome to the KidsQuest Kitchen Safety Quiz. Let's begin. Question 1. You walk into the kitchen and see a hot pan on the stove. Do you A. touch it quickly to see if it's really hot? Or B. stay away and ask a grown-up? The correct answer is B. Hot pans can burn you even if they don't look hot. Question 2. A knife is sitting on the edge of the counter. Do you A. pick it up and pretend it's a sword? Or B. leave it alone and tell an adult it might fall? The correct answer is B. Knives are tools for cooking, not for playing. Question 3. Before helping make cookies, what should you do first? A. wash your hands with soap and water? Or B. just lick your fingers and start mixing? The correct answer is A. Clean hands help keep food safe from germs. Question 4. You accidentally spill water on the floor. Do you A. leave it there? Or B. clean it up or tell an adult? The correct answer is B. Wet floors can be very slippery. Question 5. You can't reach a snack on a high shelf. Do you A. climb onto the counter? Or B. ask an adult for help? The correct answer is B. Even superheroes ask for help sometimes. Question 6. You smell something burning in the kitchen. Do you A. ignore it? Or B. tell an adult right away?
The correct answer is B. Burning smells should always be checked quickly. Question 7. You find a cleaning spray next to a fruit bowl. Do you A. move it away from the food and tell an adult? Or B. leave it there? The correct answer is A. Cleaning products should stay far away from food. Question 8. You want to carry a bowl of hot soup. Do you A. run so it stays warm? Or B. walk carefully or ask an adult for help? The correct answer is B. Hot soup can splash and cause burns. Question 9. Your toast gets stuck in the toaster. Do you A. stick a fork inside? Or B. unplug it first and tell an adult? The correct answer is B. Never put metal objects into a plugged-in toaster. Question 10. The oven timer rings. Do you A. open the oven yourself? Or B. tell an adult the timer is done? The correct answer is B. Burning smells should always be checked quickly. Question 11. You want to check the food inside a mixer grinder. Do you A. open it while it's still running? Or B. turn it off and wait until it completely stops? The correct answer is B. Always wait for the blades to stop moving. Question 12. Food falls on the floor. Your little sibling wants to eat it. Do you A. let them eat it? Or B. stop them and throw the food away? The correct answer is B. Food on the floor may have germs. Question 13. You have long hair while helping in the kitchen. Do you A. tie it back? Or B. leave it hanging loose? The correct answer is A. Tied back hair is safer and cleaner. Question 14. You're carrying a full plate. Do you A. walk slowly and carefully? Or B.
B. Speed walk to get there faster? The correct answer is A. Slow and steady is the safest way.
Question 15. You find a container in the fridge, but you're not sure what's inside or how old it is. You're hungry. What do? A. Taste a little bit to find out. B. Ask an adult before eating anything you're unsure about. The correct answer is B. Never eat food you're unsure about. It could be spoiled and make you sick. Question 16. You are heating food in the microwave and then moving it to the table. What is the right way to do it? A. Use any bowl and grab it straight out with bare hands. B. Use a microwave-safe bowl and wear oven mittens when taking it out. Correct answer is B. Microwave-safe bowls help prevent accidents, and oven mittens protect your hands from hot dishes. Question 17. The refrigerator door has been left open. Do you A. Close it, or B. Leave it open? The correct answer is A. Closing the fridge helps keep food fresh. Question 18. You accidentally cut your finger. Do you A. Hide it, or B. Tell an adult right away? The correct answer is B. Even small cuts need care. Question 19. You want to cook scrambled eggs, but no adult is around. Do you A. Turn on the stove yourself, or B. Wait for an adult to help? The correct answer is B. Always have a grown-up nearby when using a stove. Question 20. What's the most important kitchen safety rule? A. Move fast so food doesn't get cold, or B. Stay calm, pay attention, and follow safety rules. The correct answer is B. Safe habits protect you, your family, and your food. You're a kitchen safety champion! Amazing work! Thanks for playing the KidsQuest Kitchen Safety Quiz. Remember, safe choices in the kitchen help keep everyone happy, healthy, and safe. If you enjoyed this quiz, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to KidsQuest for more fun quizzes and learning adventures. We'll see you in the next challenge.